In this video, we are going to see how we can receive the items against the purchase order. As we have seen in the previous transaction on 2nd of January, we entered the purchase order, and now on 3rd of January, it says receive cloth B from Star Textiles. Order number is 124, but against this complete order, we are receiving the items partially. So we will also learn how we can receive the items against the purchase order partially. Let's move to the stage and click on vendors and purchases and click on enter bills. Once the items are received by us, that means the accounting entries will be affected. So let's click on enter bills, click on new bill, and we will consider as if we don't remember that we have entered any order in the backend, because that's the beauty of the software. It automatically will recommend you that as soon as I select the Star Textiles, it will make everything gray here, and it shows you here that you can select a purchase order here. This gray sign is an indication that they have some pending purchase orders. So let's choose this one. And against this remaining purchase order, we have received items, but how many? 25,000. So let's enter 25,000 here. Rest is all set because the unit will remain intact and amount will also remain intact. You can put any invoice number here. The invoice date is 3rd of January. So let's make it 3rd of January. And make sure the totals are showing correctly. 3750,000, 3750,000. Save. And this is how you can convert the purchase order into purchase invoice, and that also partially. If you want to check the journal entry effect, however, because now at the purchase order stage, the accounting was not affected, but now since the purchase invoice is created, now it will affect the accounts. So let's go back to the entry from here and click on journal. The entry is very simple. When you purchase the raw materials inventory is debit and credit is accounts payable. So that's how you do it. Just try it by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.